In this video, we'll explore essential tips and gear recommendations for stress-free baby travel. From packing strategies to must-have gear, we've got you covered. Traveling with a baby can be a breeze with the right equipment and preparation. We'll discuss safety considerations, ensuring your little one is comfortable and secure throughout the journey. Our goal is to make your trip enjoyable for both you and your baby, so you can create wonderful memories together. Get ready to embark on your adventures with confidence and peace of mind. When it comes to baby travel, smart packing is key. We'll delve into effective packing strategies that make your journey hassle-free. From organizing essentials like diapers, wipes, and bottles to optimizing luggage space with efficient packing techniques, we'll cover it all. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of preparing for unexpected situations on the go, ensuring that you're equipped to handle any surprises during your travels. With our packing tips, you can feel confident and prepared for a smooth and enjoyable travel experience with your baby. Traveling with a baby requires the right gear and equipment to ensure both convenience and comfort. In this segment, we'll guide you through the must-have essentials for traveling with your little one. From lightweight strollers that offer portability and ease of use to portable cribs that provide a familiar and secure sleep environment, we'll explore a range of essential gear. Additionally, we'll highlight the importance of practical accessories like diaper bags and other travel-friendly items designed to make your journey stress-free. With the right gear, you can embark on your travels with confidence and peace of mind. Safety and comfort are paramount when traveling with a baby. We'll emphasize the significance of prioritizing your baby's well-being throughout the journey. This includes choosing suitable travel-friendly clothing that ensures your baby is comfortable and appropriately dressed for varying conditions. Additionally, we'll address the importance of baby-proofing accommodations to create a safe environment at your destination. Ensuring adequate rest for your baby during the journey is also a key consideration that we'll explore in this segment. By prioritizing safety and comfort, you can create a secure and pleasant travel experience for your little one. Embarking on travels with your baby can be stress-free with the right strategies in place. We'll share practical tips to ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience for both you and your little one. Maintaining a flexible schedule allows for adaptability and minimizes stress during travel. Effective management of feeding and nap times contributes to your baby's comfort and well-being throughout the journey. Additionally, we'll explore strategies for adapting to new environments with ease, ensuring that your baby feels secure and at ease in diverse settings. With these tips, you can navigate baby travel with confidence and ease.